We're gonna reclaim our downtown Santa Clara! Look on both sides. Have fun. Bye. Look on both sides.
Hello, it's Saturday, December 8th, 2018, and we're here in the parking lot of what used to be part of downtown Santa Clara, and we're with the Rod Group.
Explain who the Rod is. You got 18 seconds.
18 seconds as Rod Group is reclaiming our downtown Santa Clara, and we have a cruise through auto show today. We're cruising on Franklin Street through the university, so it's going to be awesome, and you have all these beautiful cars down here.
You look like a younger version of a guy I know named Jim. And your name is?
Jim. Thank you. Merry
I just heard you say this is the best thing we've ever done this year.
Absolutely, this is the best thing we've ever done this year. Next year is going to be good. I second it. Yes, I second it. Reclaiming our downtown. They're going to be running in our parade of champions. That's right. Yeah. Good time.
I told them that's the only way they could do this one if they did the champions.
Yeah.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. So you better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. I'm gonna find out who's naughty at night. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He's
taking you out for a milkshake later?
Yes, he is. Merry Christmas.
Watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
That's a car, baby.
Yeah, it is.
It's worth it. Brings us a lot of happiness.
Good answer.
Thanks. Cheers.
Town. Elephants, boats, and kitty cars too.
So when you drove the Chevy to that levee, was the levee
when
dry?
the levee was dry.
I knew it! Robert's name was that. All right, one course of bye-bye Miss America, by the way.
And it came back alive.
That's right.
You better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming, Santa Claus is coming, Santa Claus is coming.
Maps? Yes. It's on both sides. Yes. Oh my God, I love it.
Oh, thank you.
I have a 16 Ford. Awesome.
Old school, baby.
Thank you, thank you.
Old school.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, I love it. You guys have fun. Wow, thank you. Good job.
a 64 SS 383?
Yes, it is.
How would I know that?
I don't
Oh my
know.
gosh, it's gorgeous.
It's on your plates.
What a beautiful car.
How's this turning out?
It's great. Look at this. Oh, don't get lost.
I think you just robbed Togo's.
Oh, I'm thinking. Oh, how funny. I'm over here. Here's the sign.
And the final car. It's got to be a Rolls Royce.
Rolls.
Woo! Look at this.
So is this a Chevy or a
Look at
Ford?
them, they're all beautiful. Look at this car.
What is this? Seriously.
This is a 1967 Rolls-Royce
I
Silver
knew it.
Shadow.
It's just so beautiful.
This is how it rolls.
It was my dad's
It fits
car.
you, honey.
Talk about your pop.
Oh, okay. It was my dad's car. He was really a car buff. And we've had it in the family for all these years, and I had it restored just recently. So we've been in car shows. We won a trophy in Carmel, and now we're here, and we're delighted to be here and so honored that you asked us.
What would you like to say to your pop right now if you could?
Oh,
Betty, are you back there? Okay.
you bet. Wish you could be here, Dad. I have that to say. Where do I just follow the car in front of me?
You got this, right? Okay, there's a map on both sides. Yay! That was fabulous! Fabulous! That was so awesome! Oh my gosh, I skipped.
I turned to her and I go, if you could talk to your dad, what would you say to her? That was hilarious. I just knocked your hand. Talk about your pop.
Oh, okay. It was my dad's car. He was really a car buff. And we've had it in the family for all these years, and I had it restored just recently. Wish you could be here, Dad.
Our meeting from Tuesday night, we have 1,900 views.
Oh, we did?
Yes.
I was watching the city.
1,900 views, you guys, on that.
Yeah, Santa Clara Police Department? Yeah, this is Malcolm. Hi. Yeah, how you doing? Great. Hey, I'd like to report a theft in progress. There's a thin, red-clad man trying to break into a Rolls Royce.
That's cute. Very clever. That's really